Hello, Hardreset here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your Drive video app, OneDrive, on your phone. The first thing that you want to do is go up to the Play Store, search bar, again search bar, find your OneDrive. This is Google Drive, but that will pop out. Here we go. And right here you want to check if you have the newest update on your app. Like mine, I have the newest version of the app, and with my app everything is cool. But if you have to update, better to update, because that might be the issue. But if you updated the app and still got some issue, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way, go up to the settings, go to the apps, go to the general, see all apps, here, Drive, right there, go to the permissions, and here we got all allowed, so that's how you're supposed to have. Manage app in unused, on, here are good. Next, Wi-Fi data storage, background data, good. Unrestricted mobile data also we want. After this there shouldn't be more any issues, but if you got, I'm gonna show you last way. So last way is the easiest one. You just want to go to Play Store, uninstall the app, uninstall, and just update right there. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.